Causes of global dimming. Global dimming is the gradual reduction in the amount of global direct irradiance at the surface of the Earth. English scientist called Jerry Stanhill found from the 1950s with the current rates saw astonished 22% drop in the sunlight. Global dimming is believed to be caused by the increase in particulates like sulfate aerosols in the atmosphere, all of which are attributed to human actions. Global dimming, surprisingly, has an opposite effect to global warming as it produces cooling effects, so in essence, global dimming is beneficial to the environment. Various causes of global dimming. Number 1 is aerosols. They are a colloid of fine solid particles or liquid droplets in the air and other gases, which are believed to be the major cause of global dimming. Most aerosols in the atmosphere only scatter light from the sun, sending back to space some of the sun's radiant energy as well as exerting a cooling influence on the Earth's climate. Number 2 is particulate matter. These include sulfur dioxide, ash and soot, which are byproducts of burning fossil fuels as well as internal combustion engines. Once they enter the atmosphere, they directly absorb solar energy and reflect back into the space radiation from the sun, before it reaches the surface of the Earth. By reflecting the radiation from the sun back, they cause a dimming in the energy and light from the sun that reaches parts of the Earth. Number 3 is water droplets. Water droplets in the atmosphere may contain airborne particulates like sulfur dioxide, soot and ash, which form polluted clouds. These polluted clouds contain a heavier and larger number of droplets than normal clouds, which change the properties of a cloud, resulting in brown clouds. These clouds reflect light and energy from the sun back into space, resulting in global dimming. Number 4 is vapors. Vapor in the atmosphere could result from numerous sources such as evaporation from bodies of water. However, the vapor in question is that from planes flying high in the sky, called contrails. They reflect heat from the sun back into space. Number 5 is wildfires. Over the last few years, wildfires have been more vicious than ever, and in 2020 alone, wildfires have burnt more than 1 million acres in Oregon and more than 4 million acres in California. The wildfires have become so severe that entire cities are literally staying in some sort of dim light for days due to the amount of smoke in the atmosphere. Although the smoke will eventually clear, it adds to the causes of global dimming like particulate matter and the fine solid particles.